Good morning, you guys. So we had a successful overnight parking in Vinoy Park in St. Petersburg. And the nice thing about that is that I can get up for the sunrise and actually see something pretty. A little different than a Cracker Barrel. So let's check out the sunrise. The skyline is really pretty this morning with the soft glow. And there comes the sun. Oh my goodness, what a great morning. It's all quiet and peaceful. There's tons of birds flying around, the dolphins. And there's our van. Well, the sun is up. You can see all the people out and about for the sunrise, going for morning walks, just sitting and enjoying the view. What a great spot. Now I'm off to find a bathroom. Well, there's definitely a lot of vans around here. That's great. It seems like the area is really van life friendly. We had checked the iOverlander app and it had showed some of these areas not open anymore, but there's definitely people camped out overnight here. We're here at Vinoy Park in downtown St. Petersburg this morning. What a great spot to park overnight. I think we've said in the past that it doesn't really matter where we park overnight, so Cracker Barrels or wherever are fine because we're sleeping, but it really was special this morning to be able to wake up and get out of the van and walk out there and see the sunrise. It was so nice. It's just a great spot overall. So much to see here, so much beauty, a lot going on. The only bummer, we seem to be having some trouble with our footage lately, losing some, and I lost my camera card. This morning I was actually filming the sunrise and there were a couple dolphins and it was so great, and my camera phone froze up. So frustrating. So I actually had to shut it down and restart, so I missed a big chunk of the sunrise. But I still got some pictures, and it was a really great morning. So I've been sitting here stirring the spinach and ham like it's cooking, and I was like, it doesn't seem like it's cooking very much. And I asked Steve if he usually covers it. Then I realized he comes towards it and he goes to light it. Did you know the whole time I was stirring that it wasn't lit?
No, I was making sure everything was prepped before we lit it.
Alright, now it's lit, so now I'm actually cooking instead of just stirring futile-lessly. Is that the right word?
Sounds good to me.
Futilely.
Lords and futiles.
Great food, great view, and honestly, we're not quite sure what we're going to do today yet. Kind of playing it by ear, last minute decision, so we'll let you know later what we're doing. We're working on getting to the library right now, but it's a university library and we just realized that there's not any parking right nearby. There's no lot. So now we're trying to figure out what to do. We gotta go drive over again and see if we can find somewhere.
What if I slow down?
And I
You can just roll out. I'll keep circling the block for a couple hours.
Sounds like a perfect plan. So there's the library. It's in a great spot right on the harbor. But
That's definitely the library.
well, that's what it said on the map. Unless that is over there.
We're going down this way.
Oh, that could work. Oh, really? And there's no spots open. Dang it. We're boarding this mission here at this library.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto 4th Street South.
It looked like it would have been a cool library to work in right on the water, but you had to pay to park and it was kind of far away from the building.
It's kind of your typical college campus where it's
Yeah.
really restricted to students, which I understand. I get it. But, oh well.
So we're gonna head to another one that's only, well, now it says 6 minutes away. Not too bad. I think the third time's a charm. We actually just tried another library, but it looked kind of like it was in a sketchy area, so we decided to keep on going, and we're actually finding ourselves back in Gulfport, which is where we were yesterday with Lance and Jess.
All right. That's a bit of a first for us. We usually have pretty good luck with just stumbling across a library that we find online, and it works really well for us. So hopefully this was just an outlier where things didn't work out. But we found one. All's well that ends well, right?
And the detour wasn't too bad.
Right.
What did we do? Maybe spend 20 minutes total driving.
And it's worth driving around that extra few minutes to find a good place to spend what will probably be the bulk of our day.
All right, we're getting ourselves prettied up for the library. Don't want to be stinky vanlifers.
Nope.
So I don't know if we've said lately that how we afford to be on the road and do all this traveling is that we're actually self-employed. We have, we do marketing and graphic design and website design. And that's what keeps us busy when we're not traveling.
And we also deal candy cigarettes on the side, on the black market. Keep that on the down low, but so if you need any, let us know.
But we only do that on Tuesdays, and today is not a Tuesday.
Check this out. An actual payphone. And yep, it works.
Well, today wasn't super exciting.
Work.
It started out really special with the sunrise, but then we went to the library, and that's pretty much where we spent the whole day. So that's just kind of part of the life for us, at least. It's not always adventure. We got a lot of normal stuff to do some days. So the nice thing is, though, that we are in, a different place to explore. Still in St. Petersburg, but different for us, that we aren't familiar with all of it. So we have enough time this evening yet to walk around. The sun has already set, but we're going to walk out to the pier again, and then we're going to check out a little bit of the downtown, I think. Does that sound good?
Sounds like a plan.
So come along with us. here the other day and checked out this art. We weren't that impressed, but we read online that it's supposed to be more impressive at night, so we're gonna check it out and give it a second chance. Let us know what you think. So what do you think of this?
Still looks like a batting cage going awry.
It might actually look a little more interesting on camera than in person.
Is it a tram lane warning or a surprised face? You tell us.
It's all a matter of perspective. I don't know if we're yellow or red. Did you notice? We made a last minute decision and we're going for a ride on the Looper.
The St. Pete Downtown Looper is free and connects the city's major museums and attractions. It was a quiet night in town, so we had the Looper all to ourselves, with the driver as our own personal tour guide.
Here, they come the weekend, it's a lot of people here. Yeah.
We had quite a bit of fun getting a ride around town and hearing some facts about the area that were new to us. One bit of information new to us is that St. Pete hosts the Firestone Grand Prix, one of the most respected motorsports events in North America, where Indy cars race through the streets of downtown on a temporary waterfront street course that extends onto the runways of the airport overlooking the harbor and marina.
Very much. You're very welcome. That was fun.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See you.
It was nice having you as a tour guide.
That was fun.
Yeah, we
Got our little tour guide all to ourselves.
Yeah, I didn't expect that. We've really enjoyed our time here in St. Petersburg, and I definitely recommend checking out the pier, especially at sunset, and then maybe even better after dark when you can see all the city lights. We also had really a great time going on the Looper free trolley and basically having our own personal tour guide. That's pretty much going to wrap up our time here in St. Petersburg, other than first thing in the morning, since we're parked here right along the water. I'm looking forward to getting up for the sunrise again and maybe getting some better footage. And then tomorrow we're going to head southwest a little bit. We're going to head to Lakeland and Circle B Bar Reserve and hopefully see a lot of wildlife and maybe some pretty flowers and other fun stuff.
C'est tout.